Alright guys, doing the random for break 279, 2-box break of mini helmets. This is AFC, NFC. You got the NFC first, Arizona Cardinals on top, Redskins on the bottom. I got Mark on the top, Debbie Downey on the bottom. Dice roll 5 or greater. Got 10, good luck guys. Last round. Got the Redskins on top, the Bucks on the bottom. Alright, back with the break 279 AFC 2-helmet mini break. Baltimore Ravens on top, Tennessee Titans on the bottom. Dice roll 5 or greater. 2 re-roll. 4 re-roll. 7. Good luck guys. Final round. Kansas City Chiefs on top, Chargers on the bottom. Good luck guys.